Hooty's bag of goodies, tales for everyone. So come on all you children, let's go have some fun.
Hello, I am Hooty the Owl. I have 3 children, the boys, Naughty, Greedy, and my little girl, Goldilocks. We live in this little house on a tree. Now for the last few days, I have been seeing a little rat in the house. He comes up that long branch over there, grabs some food and runs off. I have decided that I am going to catch him today. Oh! What's happened, Naughty?
I was trying to cut these bananas like you do, and I cut myself. I never do that. I know that we are not supposed to play with a knife. I am a good girl. Bananas? Did someone say bananas? I am hungry.
Now that is what happens when you copy someone foolishly without knowing how to. Sit down, children. Let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, a big falcon lived on a high mountain rock. Near this high mountain rock, in the plains, lived a black crow. The crow lived in a large tree. One fine morning, the falcon came flying down upon a rabbit on the ground and caught hold of it with its beak. With the rabbit in its beak, he flew back to his nest on the mountain rock. The black crow saw the falcon doing this and said to himself,
"Wow, this is exciting!"
He thought of doing the same thing. Thinking about how much fun this would be, the crow flew high up in the sky. He then flew down with great force upon a rabbit sitting on the ground. But unluckily, his swoop was not correctly aimed at the rabbit. So instead of catching the rabbit, the poor crow hit his head against a heavy rock. His head cracked and he immediately fell to the ground, getting hurt really badly. And he said a big, "Ow!" So the moral of the story is, never try to copy others in a foolish manner. And who are you? I watch you steal our food every day.
I am Pat. I live in that house over there, but I don't have a mother to feed me, so I come here whenever I am hungry. You make such good food. Oh, that's so sad.
All right, from today, you can come live with us. But remember, you must listen to me and be a good boy.
I promise.
Hooty's bag of goodies.